Indian judicial system is divided into hierarchy of courts, starting from the district courts, the sessions court, from where a dispute in appeal can lie to an high court, from an high court it can lie to the Supreme Court of India. Each state has a high court and multiple district courts, whereas Supreme Court is only one in India. Now, depending on the jurisdiction or the subject matter of your dispute, you determine the original jurisdiction, which is where the suit should or the civil proceeding should first be initiated, subject to, for example, subject to the pecuniary jurisdiction or the territorial jurisdiction. You decide whether the suit shall be preferred before the district court, which district court, or to the high court directly, subject to which you will then appeal would lie, and the proceedings are decided in the high court and an appeal would lie to the Supreme Court. Or if alternatively you had preferred to the district court, the proceedings will be decided first in the district court and then an appeal would lie to the high court, from where you, in exceptional circumstances, you may approach the Supreme Court. For example, in a suit for recovery, you may prefer, depending on the claim that you're making, either to the district court or the high court. So for example, if you have a recovery of say 35 lakhs, you may prefer it to a specific district court, whereas if the claim amount exceeds say 2 crores and is about a claim of 10 crores, you may approach directly to the high court and then the appeals go thereon.